This is the Himalayan Chief Himalayan pink salt. I got this stuff because I was fasting recently and I needed to put some salt in water. And wow, this tastes amazing. And I do mean amazing. I don't usually think that salt would taste amazing, but it made the water taste really, really good when I was fasting. One of the things that I noticed about it is if you look here, there's a variety in the pink salt. It's not just one color, and that just shows me that they really made this to where they didn't just over refine it. This stuff is really delicious. I use it on a lot, and I do believe it has all of these minerals in there. If we look on the back here, the nutritional facts are all there. This package is also awesome. If you look up top, there's actually a resealable kind of Ziploc style container up there, and you can just push down on it. Boom, your salt is now sealed from the air. And yeah, I really like this salt. I think it tastes absolutely delicious, and I highly recommend it.